In this video, we will demonstrate how to archive mail from HCL Domino to an HTML active archive using the BCC Mail Migration Engine. Here is our user Warren's mailbox, which is a typical mailbox full of various types of mail, with inline images, attachments, etc. There's calendar invites and encrypted content too. He also has calendar entries and recurring appointments, and lots of personal contacts, some of which have images assigned to them. Before we run the migration job, let's look at how it's configured. As you can see, the export format type is set to HTML, as we are migrating to an HTML archive. It is also possible to archive a mailbox to PDF. The user's mail or archive database is specified in the job. It's also possible to include or exclude based on a formula, include or exclude folders, populate a selected date range, exclude attachments, etc. In the Export tab, we specify the directory that we will be outputting the files to. In this example, our user has encrypted content, so we will be decrypting it using the ID vault. Now we'll run the migration job. The task sends a report back for each 10% increment that has been completed. Switching to a web browser, we can see the migrated mailbox in HTML format. As you can see, the mailbox has been migrated and the mails are displayed in a similar format to the Notes mailbox. Inline images and attachments are preserved, as are the encrypted messages. All of the contacts are available with images. Switching to the calendar, we can see his appointments are there too, including the recurring ones. And the user's folders and contents are migrated too. So there you go, archive of an HCL Domino mailbox to an HTML web archive. If you'd like to know more, please check out our website or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.